Sure, can't see the sun anywhere. Yeah.
You cannot see the sun. I mean, it has been cloudy, it's been raining, it's been cold today with temperatures in the 40s for most areas. A live look outside, it is a bit gloomy and we will remain gloomy tonight and tomorrow with even more rain on the way. And as we look at today's almanac, we did get to 49 degrees. That was the high temperature recorded at Tyler, and 43, that was the morning low. Now, there could be additional adjustments to this because that's only a 6-degree range, and we're right in the middle of it right now at 45 degrees and 61 and 40. Those are the averages, and 85 back in 2017. That was your record high temperature. And we are going to see some significant variabilities in our temperatures over each of the next 7 days, with highs in the 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s. Still seeing some pretty good rain falling in central Cherokee County near the Alto vicinity and Rusk vicinity, and also some showers to the east of Crockett as well. And as we zoom this out, it's deep East Texas seeing the rain. We're not really seeing much right now to the north for Tyler and Longview, but as we zoom this out even further, the back edge of this round of rain is currently at about College Station to the west of Interstate 45 and moving off to the northeast. But what I expect to happen is we will see another round of rain develop to our southwest, which is expected to arrive after midnight tonight. But it is chilly, and nothing's going to stop that through the overnight hours. Our temperatures are going to hold in the 40s and 50s wherever they are right now. That's what you can expect tomorrow morning. But we'll go ahead and put this in motion here. A couple of showers here and there. This is 9 o'clock this evening, and we're seeing some pockets of heavy rain still. But rain does increase, and through about 3 o'clock in the morning, we're seeing widespread rain. So after midnight through about 3, 4, 5 o'clock, most of the area is seeing rain, but around daybreak and just after it, most of this rain does push off to the east, and we're left with mostly cloudy skies for the remainder of tomorrow morning. 9 o'clock. A couple of showers here and there, but other than that, we are drying out. We may see a few breaks in the clouds, and for that reason, temperatures could very well warm into the 60s with maybe even a few 70s in deep East Texas if that cloud cover gets going. But that is going to cool us down significantly Thursday morning with temperatures right around freezing. Here's the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. There is a very small section of Sabine and San Augustine County in the marginal risk. Yeah, we could see some gusty winds, maybe some pocket change hail, but that's about it. 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 7 days for our eastern counties, and then 1 to 2. We'll be lucky if we see an inch of rain tomorrow for Tyler, but the amounts will continue to decrease the further northwest you go. For Saturday, there is a threat of severe weather. It is a slight risk of severe weather for Lufkin, Nacogdoches, pointing off to the east into portions of the deep south. So we'll keep an eye on that. But as of right now, I do not expect widespread severe weather to occur. But time will tell if we could see 1 or 2 severe thunderstorms. But it has been noted by the SPC, and it's been noted by us, and we'll keep you updated. 46 tonight. Tomorrow, we're back up to 66. Rain in the morning. It ends in the afternoon. And as we look at the next 7 days, Thursday and Friday, high temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, but decent rain chances do exist Saturday. Sunday and Monday, highs will climb back into the upper 50s by Monday. We'll be at 66 Tuesday with additional rain chances. Decent rain tomorrow, ending tomorrow afternoon. Dry Thursday and Friday for deep East Texas. Isaac, Casey.
Carson, thank you.